it needed all floor pans, boot floor, so majority of that's been slowly done, but it's just going to be a little 6-cylinder pub cruiser.
Right, cool. So even the professionals can get sucked in.
Yeah.
Huh?
Well, welcome to a new Dave's Classic Garage Tours video, and this time I'm back at HellBent Fabrications to see the rest of the Aussie street machines Kane's got in for customisation. As always, if you haven't seen the first episode from this workshop, there's a link up above to its playlist.
Oh, this looks familiar in the way of shape. There's something that's just gone a bit wild on the channel just recently with the ESP.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
We found a barn find Kane to them, but I don't think he'll be putting a turbo. But actually, what's that engine?
Yeah, Barra.
Right. Okay.
Yep.
Famous Barra. So what year would that
Yeah,
be from?
we're just going to plumb it all up, waiting on the intercooler or the radiator to come. Then we're just got to plumb it all up.
Wow. Is this a common conversion?
Yeah, you're seeing more and more of it now.
Yeah.
Yep.
And this is it's going to be a sleeper sort of thing?
Yeah, it's just staying as it is on the outside.
Yeah. Is it an XE or an XD?
D.
A D?
Yep.
So this has got leaf
Yep.
at the back.
This is another one that will have all Gazzard mono-leaf suspension in it.
Right, oh, okay.
Yep.
See, it's been quite interesting reading about the like the race history and what have you, because the XD was no good.
And it's Johnson who's got the start, and it's a slow start by Kevin Martin in the Monaro, and the cars are peeling around.
Well, how wrong could I be? The XD was in fact loved by racers and indeed spawned quite probably one of Bathurst's most memorable moments, with the famous rock incident that put an end to Dick Johnson's race in 1980, in which from lap 1 he looked like he would win by one of the biggest margins in the race's history. That wasn't to be, and you can see the full story in a link at the end of this video.
And yeah, they made a quick change. No, and then the XE had the first torsion spar.
Yep.
Yeah, but that was a bit wild on track as well, wasn't it? Some of it, Johnson couldn't control it or something.
Yep.
Yeah. Hey, this is now for me, because obviously coming here, I see these and I'm thinking, oh, that's like a bloody Granada with 6 inches in the middle, stretched in the middle from the UK.
Yep.
And my dad had a Granada GL.
Yep.
Was driven down to, with me as a 10-year-old in the back or whatever, 12-year-old, was driven down to through France and then taken over the Pyrenees, and the brakes went up in the mountain, so we had to bring it down into Andorra town on the bloody handbrake. Oh my God. Those cliff edges had never seemed quite so threatening. So right, what else? You got the engine.
Yeah,
done the back. You're going to be doing the back.
Getting roll cage and stuff as well.
Oh, right, okay. Popular theme, hey?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So you do take on Fords.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, I'll work on anything.
Okay, but what's up here?
No, that's my little project.
Ah, right. They're the way. They're always up high or covered in sheets at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
okay. Well, let's go. What have we got?
it's a HR Holden.
What sort of year?
67 this
67.
So I'd been looking for one for a while, white with red interior. And we were having drinks one here Thursday night, and one of the boys found this in Geelong.
Right. Well, on the internet.
Yeah. So we went down there. We were pretty drunk by the time we got down there. And
Not the driver.
Yeah. No, not the driver. But yeah, we bought it, then got home, and the next day I regretted it.
Right. Okay.
But yeah, it's been a slow project. It needed all floor pans, boot floor. So majority of that's been slowly done. But it's just going to be a little 6-cylinder pub cruiser.
Right. Cool. So even the professionals can get sucked in.
Yeah.
Huh? Right. Sorry, what did you say? 4-cylinder?
6-cylinder.
Cylinder, right. Yeah. Where did I get 4 in my head from? I don't know. So yeah, what was it? What would it have been? There was,
Yeah, they're
would have been a
originally
6,
order. Yep.
So you staying with the same engine?
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Right. Okay. So that was at least one thing that was still.
Yeah. Yeah.
But so you've done some floors.
Some floor pan, they're just sitting in there. We haven't welded anything in yet, really.
All right. Okay. And this is the one that's going to be. I'll still be here on my 6th visit.
Yeah, I reckon.
Oh, there we go.
That's someone who already started putting the floor pans in. And
Yeah.
They've done not a very nice job.
Right. Okay. Cool. Okay. What are you driving around at the moment? Anything special? Like,
I've just got the VEU.
Right. Okay. Cool.
Let us have a look here. Right, okay. An iconic shape. Talk us through it.
Yeah, the HQ. It's got a LSA in it.
Yeah.
Turbo 400. Same sort of thing. It was already all mini tubs and stuff, but we've cut it all out to do it all again, and he wants a lot nicer presentation in the boot.
Right.
Yeah.
So that was. It had been.
Yeah, it had been done,
Yeah.
but he's gone bigger tyre.
At the back.
Yeah, bigger rim.
Because there ain't much at the front compared to it.
Yeah.
We haven't got one on the other side.
Nah, it's on the other side.
Yeah. Well, I saw one. Let's have a butcher's. Right. So what's that size there?
They're like 185, I think. 180 or 195 maybe.
And then you've got this beast.
Yeah.
Jeez. Wow. What's that on there?
275/60 on a 10-inch rim.
Shoot. Okay. So here's your work. Do you want to
Yep.
pass through? Let's talk us through.
Yeah, same as the other HJ, all boot floor out. New style boot floor with bead rolling, lifted up higher over the coilovers. This one's had the rails notched. Fuel cell and power steering, electric power steering and surge tanks all going in the boot.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was all done. He just wants a nicer looking boot.
Okay. He's got to show it to somebody.
Yeah.
Lovely. Well, so there's not much. Sorry, yeah, you've got to do now on this one. There?
Nah, this is almost finished as well.
Almost finished. So what year was this?
71 or 70?
71. Right. So that's yeah. Can I have a look in there?
Yeah. It's all sort of factory standard inside.
Like the digital readout though, eh? Cool. Right. That looks wonderful. Cool. Right. Okay, well, we get the pleasure of one more. Now, it's a bit windy out here, so
Yep.
which way? Lucky is coming from right, coming that way. So
Yep.
just try and keep around here. So tell us about it. This is your
Yeah, I just bought
pride
this.
and joy. Oh right.
Yep. So, I had one as a first car
Right. Okay.
and always wanted one again. And there, I had a Ute that I had built.
Yeah. Tell us what it is again. For
Alex hatchback.
Alex.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So yeah,
That's at 70. 77
Yeah.
from 77, wasn't it? Yeah.
So-
Sorry, you were about to say about you.
yeah, I swapped. I did a deal with another guy,
Yeah.
and yeah, with my Ute for this,
Right.
and yeah, finally got one.
Okay. Decidedly cost you more than when you first had
Yeah,
one.
a lot more. Yeah.
Were they? Yeah, the SSM. You know, even through your youth, it was sort of a hallowed
Yeah.
car and what have you.
Yep.
Well, come into the wind. So I'm just going to have to protect it. Let me protect it that side.
Yep.
I'm going to do. Right. Okay. So what do you got? What's your plans?
Small block Chev.
Right.
Probably power glide. Back's already been cut out.
Right. Sorry, you're just saying that all the backs has been cut out.
Yeah, back's all cut out. So and rails have been done.
Yeah.
They were done by another fab shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, just big tyre, small block Chev, and have it as a cruiser.
You're gradually building up your shed then.
Yeah, slowly.
Cool. Okay. Well, another great one. You'll be invested in the tent.
Yeah,
The hatch.
Yeah,
was it
probably.
called?
Yeah, hatch hutch.
Hatch hutch.
Yep.
Cool. Yeah. That's great. All right, mate. Thanks again.
Cool. No
Thanks for letting us have a come around.
Yep. No
Cheers,
worries.
mate. Bye.
If you love this video, you're going to absolutely love this one. So click on the screen and watch that. And I'll see you in the next video.